It will all make sense in time.
So this is my family. So guys, keep your words on low.
Are you going to recite today?
I'm gonna recite, but still I wanna talk to you. You know, as you know, our network. Huh? In Turkey, is there a Starlink in Turkey?
Yeah.
How is it going there?
Good, actually.
Like brother-in-law has Starlink.
Mm-hmm. What are you thinking?
Huh?
What are you thinking about when it comes to Turkey?
I have some business issues I wanna go to do there, inshallah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, we still haven't visited yet. We still haven't visited yet. My mom is there right now.
Everything wasn't easy, man. But everything is good right now. You get it?
Okay.
I know you have a lot of questions there.
Mine too, on myself. A lot of good questions, a lot of bad questions.
Sometimes I don't want spotlight, as you know, me. Yeah? I don't want spotlight, but you have Somalis there, people from Somalia.
I have a lot of people here, a lot of different people here.
Yeah, there's a message. I have a message for people from Somalia. People from Somalia, the thing I want to tell you is that if I wronged anyone, if I hurt anyone in my word, guys, I'm sorry. I'm also human. I make mistakes. I'm sorry for that. But just know, I love you so much, guys. Wallah, I love you so much. Yeah, so if I hurt you guys with my words, I'm sorry. Someone, someone said like, you guys, you are telling us that you never separated. Who told you? Have I ever come? I told you earlier. Okay, Leila, let me answer this. I came up on interview on TV and I told people that I sent my wife out to work. So you misleading my wife. And she didn't go to work. So she went back to work. Now she's on work. When I need her, she'll be back. So I don't know what you're gonna do, but that is it. So what is it? Babe, do you have anything to say?
I'm processing everything.
I know many things. I know many things. Many things are stuck in your head.
Yeah. I do want to, there is actually one thing I do want to say though. And this is mainly, oh, sorry. This is off of what he just said. So, guys, you have to keep in mind that we are in the month of Ramadan. And this month of Ramadan is about mercy and is about forgiveness. And sometimes people will hate you for not doing what what they want you to do. But if you want Allah to forgive you, and this goes for everyone, this is not just about me and him, this goes for everyone. If you want Allah to forgive you, you also have to practice forgiveness towards others as well. We're not getting into detail about anything. Me and him, we know what we've talked about in our privacy, in our private conversations. But it goes for me as well. If I've said or done anything to offend anyone, forgive me, and he has also apologized. So I just want to say that for now.
Someone said you're growing your content. So I'm gonna be the best to you.
You know what? I couldn't hear you.
Whatever you are seeing, whatever you are watching, just take it as it is. Because you are not gonna change it.
That's it. Yep.
You are not God. You can't change what is here. That's life, bro. Just understand it. That's God. You can see what you not expect, and can create what you can't expect.
Some people won't understand that. You cannot stop. You cannot stop what God planned.
Leila, let me take this opportunity to tell Ugandans and other people outside Uganda, Ramadan Karim. So, Leila, I'm gonna be reciting. Yeah, let's just be here. Let's just